Phone call not working. Showing this error cannot make calls without phone permission. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. First of all, close phone call apps and then tap and hold on phone call apps. Now open App Info. Just tap on I button or App Info. Now go to App Permission option and then go to Phone option and allow phone permission and also allow all the permission. Now go back to home screen and then restart your phone. After this step, now go to phone call apps and then try to call someone and see problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.